Okay.
So the first one suggests that a genetic analysis of COVID-19 patients suggests that blood type might influence whether someone develops severe disease. So they compared the genes of thousands of patients in Europe, found that those who had type A blood were more likely to have severe disease, while those with type O were less likely. The report in the New England Journal of Medicine does not prove a blood type connection, but it does confirm a previous report from China of such a link. They say the evidence of a role for blood type is tentative. It isn't enough of a signal to be sure. The study involving scientists in Italy, Spain, Denmark, Germany, and other countries compared about 2,000 patients with severe COVID-19 to several thousand other people who were healthy or who only had mild or no symptoms. I don't even know my blood type. You're supposed to know yours?
You should find out. You should find out.
You're supposed to know.
You should know.
It's
important.
I've been told. Me just,
you just don't remember.
Yeah, can't remember what it was.
You should know.
What's the next one?
We're talking about a prep school in Kingston, actually, Immaculate Prep. It says they're under fire for blocking online classes. Apparently, parents have been pleading for discounted fees for online classes, and some of them have not paid. For whatever reason, have not been able to pay because of different circumstances with work and so on out of COVID. And the school has barred them from being able to access the Zoom portal, barred them for non-payment. Parents are not happy. One parent said she had to miss job opportunities to stay at home and assist her child with accessing classes. Says she believes that classes or fees should have been cut by at least 50%. Immaculate did revise fees downwards, 15% lower than their original cost. But the parent is saying, if you're not running school, then your overheads would have decreased. So, there was hope that they could have done more. Another parent said her work hours have been reduced to 3 hours daily. She said some parents refused to pay the proposed fee on principle, not because they couldn't, but she argued that children were not getting the same value from online classes as they were from in-person classes. A letter was sent to the chairman of the board, Ethan Sinclair. According to them, they're saying they're just wasting. He says it's like he's saying they're just wasting their time sending me a letter because nothing will change. So some of them decided to pay the school fee, but the school did bar students from accessing Zoom classes on Wednesday.
And apparently they're having some issues with the prep schools and the private schools because of the enormous fees, school fees.
Tell me about it.
I was just reading while Sim was speaking. It said fees have been revised from $125,000 per term to $106,000. So this is a prep school, and as far as I know, you have 3 terms for the year. So you're talking about $375,000 just for fees, just for that.
It costs more to send some children to prep school than it does for a first year
at
of university.
So that's, as I said, that's almost $500,000 for school fee for a prep school.
That's not the highest
and that's for a prep
fee
school.
either. I know a school that charges $250 per term.
Well, there you go. Hot topics finished.
Oh!
6:30. We have news in 5.
Never talk all the time again, Man can chat to you, man.
I'm not talking to myself.
You
were not involved as me when I chat.
Never you talk too much, never you talk too
all
much.
right, I have nothing more to say for the rest
You're still
of the
talking
show.
and then see him talking again. No, I forgot to break because him talk out the whole of the segment. From 6 o'clock this morning, the man been talking till now. No matter how
maybe I spend too much time with Empress Eater. So when she's not here, I just feel I must continue the legacy. My people, my people, my people. We soon come, my people.